Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Ethena. Daily update I wanted to say, but I haven't been covering Ethena daily, so I won't. But I did cover it yesterday. We did nothing really changed. Yesterday morning we were just holding this level here at $1. In general, the main support level we have is right now between $1 and 90 cents. And just to right off the bat, Ethena right now is not bullish, all right? If you take a look at the technicals, Ethena right here, I'm not telling you it cannot turn bullish. I think that's possible. But if you look at it right now, basically since that top, the 12th of April, so for the last 5 days, we've been weak, all right? We've been making lower highs, we've been making lower lows. I'm not sure how the momentum is doing, but I would say that the open interest is also not doing much, all right? And I'm pretty sure about that. So yeah, you can see momentum over the course of, yesterday, I think yesterday evening and overnight, momentum for most cryptos increased, right? So we had some, you can also see for Bitcoin, we had some recovery, and Ethena had that as well. But in the end, we just had one fake out above the 50 EMA. But apart from that, respected that, which respecting the 50 EMA as resistance is a bearish confirmation, all right? And then what some people are talking about, but I do think you should know this, is that fundamentally right now, look, Ethena was doing quite well, right? So and we looked at that as well. If you look at their protocol, they were gaining total value locked. Right now, they're not really losing total value locked, so people are not really taking money away from their protocol. But it's also not gaining anymore, and obviously that's partially due to the market circumstances, which are not amazing. That's 100% part of the equation. But what's also true is that one of the ways that Ethena makes a profit, and one of the ways they can actually promise a good yield, is with the funding rates. All right, so they hold a short position on Ethereum, if I'm correct. I should be correct on this. And what you look, and if you look at the funding rates right now, what you can see is that for some of the exchanges that they do hold positions on, the funding rate is either very low or it's negative, which if it's negative, that means they are paying to hold those positions open. And if it's very low, that means less yield than what they were doing first. So that's fundamentally just also bearish. Now, like I said, do I think it's possible we can actually recover from here? Yes. But it's dependent on Bitcoin, all right? The main level we have right here is like 1.07, so 1.07. If we can break above that, technically we are no longer bearish, because then we've broken the downtrend, and we probably are gaining some momentum as well. So is that a possibility that we do something like this, get back up to 1.2 and potentially rally up higher? Yes, it's possible. But if you look at Ethena right now, what you can see is that first of all, we have no momentum. So there's no indication to believe that Ethena on its own is going to do it. Fundamentally, it's not strong. So that leaves one thing that can actually make it break out, and that's Bitcoin. All right, and it's simple as that. Every altcoin is so correlated to Bitcoin at this point of time that it just depends on that. All right, Ethena at this point of time is for 96% correlated to Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin breaks above 65,000 here, Ethena can be bullish and can break out as well. First price target would be 1.2 and 1.17. So that is possible, but only if Bitcoin turns relatively bullish here and gets a bullish breakout. If Bitcoin does not do that, what's going to happen is that Ethena will see some momentum here and there, but it will just drop back down to 90 cents. And if we stay at 90 cents for long enough and Bitcoin doesn't turn bullish, we'll drop down to 80, we'll drop down to 75. That's what you need to know. Those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.